At the side of our old town dump, 1920s, 1930s, all the way up to 60s. It's now a park. And I'm coming along here. I found something the other day that I didn't get on film. But I brought the camera out today. And this is ringing up dime, quarter. I just pulled it out. And it is some kind of a token. I need to get it cleaned up. I'm not sure what it is. Good luck token, another one, different kind that I got the other day. I'll get it cleaned up. It's pretty corroded, but I'm excited. Love it. Look at this beautiful area here. Just gorgeous. Got a lot of this right here, dirt to do. I've done most of it, so I'm running out of spot here. Now the park I've never tried because there's so many signals, but I might give that a shot. We just had a real good rain. This is a good time to do it. Okay, round up some petrified wood, a piece of granite. All this is just scrap. Some of it's pretty heavy, and I do have a pretty good scrap bucket going. This is just a nice piece of pottery. More scrap. A quarter, a dime, a penny. This is heavy. It's brass. Very heavy. Pretty cool square compact case. I'll have to clean it up. And this is pretty neat. It's some kind of a latch where you would flip